Howdy folks, thanks for tuning in. This is a video of a 2020 26-foot Coachmen Catalina Trailblazer. It's a little travel trailer toy hauler here at Nelson RV. It's got a power hitch jack up front, covered 2 bottles of propane, brand new 12-volt battery, spare tire. It's got a toy lock system right here. That's a cable toy lock. You can get that, unwind it and wrap it around your toys and lock it up when you have it parked outside. It's got a nice big power awning, a dual axle. Just a nice little 2020 toy hauler here. It's a 26TH model, weighs about 5,500 pounds empty and 7,600 pounds loaded. Just a quick video here, folks. Does have a covered underbelly. There's the back of it here. Really nice shape. Barely used. Going up into the coach, it's got the solid 2-step system with adjustable legs there. LED lighting, outside speakers. Made by Coachmen. A nice leading brand in RV manufacturing. Okay, this is the interior of it. No slide outs, just a nice street trailer. Close that noisy street next to us. It's going towards the back here. It has 2 fold-up bench seats here. They also fold down into beds. One's against the wall there. It also has a patio deck. You can lower that down into a patio. It's got that that nice border fencing around it. Also has a screen room tied up there. Here's the dimensions of this. So going right here, so between the fold-up couches when they're up, the width is 78 inches. From back of the door there to the countertop here, it's 72 inches. Okay, 72 inches there. And then from the counter space here, counter space to this point up to the edge of the bedding there on or the couch folded up there, it's 61.5 inches. So from the countertop here all the way back to the front, it's got tie downs in the floor there, it's 13 feet 6 inches to that to the wall right there. Okay, so just so you got the dimensions there, it's 75.5 inches tall. That door, that's all width, how tall the door is. So if you're looking to plan to put some kind of ATV in here, those are the dimensions. So between the couches, 78 inches width. From back to the countertop, it's 72 inches. And then from the countertop to the sidewall there, it's 61.5 inches and 13 feet 6 inches all the way down from the back. It's got 2 recliners here. These do move around. It's got a nice little flat screen TV there. Your double door RV refrigerator. A little Furrion stove. 3-burner stove with a little oven. It's got nice big 1 single sink there. Deep. Pull out sink. Got a microwave. It has no generator in it. Doesn't have a filling station. That's thermostat controlled. It's got a ducted AC system there. LED lighting. Going into the bathroom here, you got the radius nice step-in shower there. Going up, just looking around here, hope I don't make you motion sickness here. It's got a nice little storage cabinet there. A walk-around queen bed. Again, this is a 2020 Trailblazer made by Coachmen, a 26TH model. Here at Nelson RV at 4060 North Flowing Wilds Road. 4060 North Flowing Wilds Road here in Tucson, Arizona. Our phone number here is 520-293-1010. Thank you for watching and happy RVing.